and it's almost a year now that I've been doing. So all you have to do is just join. Now, for you to join, you have to have a code which only a BTCS miler or Tcore miler has. So when you copy that code and paste here to confirm, when if the cards you are joining, the person that initiated is use 5 people to join, then you have to wait for those 5 people to be complete before you can before the person will execute. So let's check initiate. You see 5 people, 4 people, 3 people, and 2 people. If you are the initiator, you have to wait for people to join. And how do you wait? Now, Tcore is not just something that started today. They have a number of a lot of people that are mining worldwide. So if you want to initiate or join, if like for me now, I think I'll be joining because of the people, so that you know how to do it. Now I have to go to Telegram. From there I'll copy a code for me to join the card. Let's wait for it. This is it. I entered Telegram. My Telegram is just a bug. Whenever I come to Telegram, and Telegram just keep hanging, so I don't bother coming. I know. Let's wait for it to finish loading. There you see a lot of messages. I saw a spider card. Maybe I'll just copy 2 cards, join, then wait for them to be initiated. Okay, so you can see this is a witness card. You can see meeting. Well, last time I entered this chat. So this is your card. See Satoshi card. Now it's a card. 4 slots left. So I'll be joining this card just by copying. Then I'll edit on my message space. I paste, then I copy the main codes that I need. That is just it. Now this code is already in my clipboard. For my phone, it can save a lot, so I can still clean this one, then save for this one. Okay, so I think I'm good with this. Let's go and check if it's not filled already. Join, then paste, confirm. It's already filled and maybe executed. It's already filled, so I'll initiate, then ask people to join. Now when you initiate, all you have to do is copy this exchange code that is showing right here. You copy. So I'll go back to that channel. The amount of people in this channel, 36,000. A lot of people are mining it. This is a Bito card. And I pray this one have not been used, so I'll paste mine and copy this one. The format that we used to paste. Ant card, 4 slots left. You send, maybe add something like this. Ant card 4 slot left, join for fast execution, and send. Let me use it on if. So this is just the way to go about it. So many have it, but they don't really know how to use them. So with this group, Facebook too, you can just go to Facebook. You can see a lot of two people have joined already. I'm the initiator, so I have to wait for two more people, then I can execute. You see, the one I just joined is filled already. So if you joined and is filled, you can just go to the group chat and tell the person to execute, like I'm going to do right now, and wait for mine to be filled, then execute mine too. When is that place that's showing cancel exchange will show execute. So let's go to go back. I joined 4 of it already on the top, so it's not just one group that I joined for the mining. Now once it's filled, you just have to come and draw the person notice to execute. Please execute. So this is it. If you use this process, you'll be able to use all your cards in a day. Just log into the Telegram group and join and execute for people to join you too. And these people that are executing cards with you help to make your mining faster. I still need 2 people to join. Maybe whenever I execute it, it will start counting. So this is it. When they execute now, you see this 2.5k will be added to my mining, my hash rate, which is 704.4 now. When that adds up to it, it will be 706.9. I hope I'm correct. Yeah, 706.9, 706.9. My that executed is complete to add up to, and it will become 708, 709 points, 709, yeah, 709.4, I think so. So this is just the way to go about it. If you are an executor, you wait for the cards to be filled, then you execute. Once it's filled, you see a place, this cancel exchange will show execute. You just tap on it, it will be executed. But if you tap on it, you are canceling the exchange because it's not yet filled. And you see a place to cancel join, I can cancel to join because this guy is not executing, but there's no problem. Whenever I execute, it adds up. And look at it, 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5k hash. Adding up will give me 709.4. That's just it, add up page. So when you continue doing this to help to make your mining go faster. And mining as well, you can get, mind you, you can get BTC, free BTC. This is my free BTC that I can withdraw, but I'm not withdrawing yet because it's pretty small. And this is, there's a place for giveaway. I referred to people last week, so I think I got 200 votes. I used it. Maybe I might be lucky to win. Let's wait. Maybe I might not be lucky. Okay, that's it. So these are what you have to do to increase your hash. And the next video I'll be talking about how to stay safe even in this crypto turbulence.